Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. So student, today we are going to learn poem number 14. I'd like to be a lighthouse. So student, the pic which is flash on your mobile phone is the page number 31 of your English Balbharti textbook. So student, everyone just open your textbook, page number 31. In that poem number 14, I'd like to be a lighthouse. Now student, what it means? I'd like to be a lighthouse. Students, as you can see, I apostrophe D is there. Yes, that word will be I would. I would like to be a lighthouse. Means I want to become a lighthouse. So students, before I start the explanation about the poem, first of all, what is lighthouse and what does lighthouse do? So student, as I had asked you, what is lighthouse and what does lighthouse do? So here the answer is, it is a tower with a bright light at the top, located at an important or dangerous place regarding navigation, travel over water. The two main purposes of a lighthouse are to survey as a navigational aid and to warn boats of dangerous areas. It is like a traffic sign on the sea. So students, in your textbook, in the downside it is there. What is lighthouse? Right? So again I am explaining so that you can understand very well. A lighthouse is a tower, building or tall structure on the seashore. From the lighthouse, big beams or flashes of light are thrown out. These beams help ships at sea to navigate, to find their way across the sea. They can tell the ships that there is a port nearby. It is safe to go near the port, or that there are dangerous rocks under the sea, etc. In days of old modern means of communication like radio, mobile, phone, internet were not available to people. Therefore, the warnings signals of the lighthouse were very useful to ships. In today's age of radio, TV, the internet, satellite service, many other facilities are available to ships and aeroplanes when they travel across the sea or sky. So students, in a simple way, I can explain you what does lighthouse do. For example students, at night time, suddenly the lights gone. What you use at that time? Students, again I am asking the question. Suppose at night time, suddenly the light is gone. What you use at that time? Can anyone say the answer? Yes, you use candle or torch, right? But nowadays, most of all, we are using torch, right students? And with the help of torch, you can move here and there, right? Because suppose at night the lights gone, Suddenly the lights gone. And what we are using? We are using torch or candle. But nowadays, most of all, we are using torch. Right, students? And with the help of torch, we can move from here to there. Right? So here, same way, the lighthouse helps at night where there is a darkness. On the sea, the lighthouse helps to ship and boats by giving a flashlight so that they can find their direction. So students, now everyone understood what is lighthouse and what does lighthouse do. Right, students? Okay. So students, now a lighthouse is a tower, building or tall structure on the seashore. So students, everyone know what is the meaning of tower? Yes, a tall building. As you know students, nowadays there is a tall buildings are there. In that building there is a lift, right? So we called as tower. So same way, the lighthouse is a tall building, so it is called as tower. And most of all, lighthouse is on a seashore side. Seashore side means near to the sea side. From the lighthouse, big beams or flash of lights are thrown out. As I told you, the lighthouse flash of lights throws out. So student, the lighthouse give the directions to the ship by giving a flash light. Now students, the next. These beams helps ships at the sea to navigate. Students, what is the meaning of navigate? To find their way across the sea. Navigate means to find their way across the sea. They can tell the ships that there is a port nearby. Now students, what is the meaning of port? Port means a parking place, a parking area. Example students, now train. Where the train stop? Yes, in the railway station, right? On the railway station the train stop, right? And what about the bus? Yes, there is a bus stop for the bus. So same way, for the ships there is a port where they can park their ships. Understood now students? It is a safe to go near the port or that there are dangerous rocks under the sea. So with the help of flashlight, the ships can understand where there is a rock. Big rocks are there under the sea. They can see very well by the use of flashlight, which is thrown by the lighthouse. Right? Now, in days of old modern means of communication like radio, mobile, phones, internet were not available to the people. Now students, olden days there is no communication. Communication means how we communicate to each other by the mobile phone, right? But the olden days there is no mobile phone, internet, radio. These all things are not there. Only with the help of lighthouse they can find their direction. Therefore, the warning signals of the lighthouse were very useful to the ship. As I told you, olden days there is no mobile phone, internet, radio. These all things are not there. With the help of lighthouse they can find their direction. Understood? Now, in today's age of radio, TV, the internet, satellite service, many other facilities are available. Now students, nowadays there are so many facilities are available. Example, TV, radio, internet, satellite service. There are many things. And aeroplanes, when they travel across the sea or sky. So here for the aeroplanes also there is a travel across the sea. So students, when the aeroplane travel across the sea, the lighthouse gives a flashlight to the aeroplanes also so that they can also find their direction very well. So students, now everyone understood what is lighthouse and how does lighthouse used us. Now students, move to the poem. लाइटहाउस एक ऐसी इमारत है जहाँ से रोशनी समुंदर के तरफ फेंकी जाती है. मीन्स समुंदर के पास रोशनी दी जाती है, जहाँ पर लोगों को मदद मिलता है कि शिप कौन से जगह पर पार्क करना चाहिए या फिर कौन से जगह पर उन्हें जाना चाहिए. ये उन्हें मदद कहाँ से मिलती है? लाइट हाउस से. स्टूडेंट्स, पुराने ज़माने में मोबाइल फ़ोन, रेडियो, इंटरनेट ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ें नहीं थी. सिर्फ लाइट हाउस के ज़रिए शिप्स के लोग वहाँ पर डायरेक्शन ढूंढते थे कि किस डायरेक्शन में उन्हें जाना है. पर जैसे कि अभी के ज़माने में, अभी का जो दौर है उसमें शिप्स को बहुत सारे फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती है, जैसे कि रेडियो, टीवी, इंटरनेट, सैटेलाइट सर्विस, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें उन्हें दी जाती है. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप सो एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड. नाउ मूव टू द पोएम. सो स्टूडेंट, first of all, I am going to read the whole poem for you, and then afterward I will explain you. Poem number 14. I'd like to be a lighthouse. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night, to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. So students, everyone understood the pronunciation of the words? Okay. Now students, you all of you just repeat after me, and then afterward I will explain you the poem. Poem number 14. I'd like to be a lighthouse. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night, to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Now students, the very first line. I'd like to be a lighthouse. I'd like to be a lighthouse means I would like to be a lighthouse. I would means I want to become a lighthouse. I want to be a lighthouse. The poet says that I want to become a lighthouse. पोएट कहता है, जिसने पोएम लिखा है उसे हम पोएट कहते हैं. वो पोएट कह रहा है कि मुझे लाइट हाउस बनना है. All scrubbed and painted white. Scrubbed means rubbed something hard. Scrub का मतलब होता है रब और क्लीन करना. जैसे कि जो लाइट हाउस है उसके जो वॉल्स हैं उसे स्क्रब्ड किया है. स्क्रब्ड मीन्स रब्ड किया है और क्लीन किया है. और वो कौन से कलर का है? वाइट कलर का है. कौन से कलर का है? वाइट कलर का. ऑल स्क्रब्ड एंड पेंटेड वाइट मीन्स उसको कौन सा पेंट किया है? वाइट कलर का. I'd like to be a lighthouse. फिर से पोएट कह रहा है कि मुझे लाइट हाउस बनना है. And stay awake all night. And stay awake all night का मतलब है मुझे रात भर जागे रहना है. So students, in the first paragraph, why the poet says that whole night I will stay awake. Students, can anyone say the answer? Why the poet says that whole night I will stay awake? Because at daytime there is no need of light. Right, students? At daytime, there is no need of light. Right? But at night, the ship sailor could not see the proper direction. For that reason, the poet says that the whole night I will stay awake to help the people. People means here the ship sailors. For that reason, the poet is going to be awake the whole night. जैसे कि पोएट कह रहा है कि मैं रात भर जागूंगा क्योंकि दिन में तो उन्हें हर डायरेक्शन दिख सकता है क्योंकि सारे ओर उजाला होता है, पर रात के समय तो अंधेरा होता है और उन्हें कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं देगा समुंदर में। इसीलिए मैं रात भर जागूंगा और उन्हें रोशनी दूंगा। किससे? फ्लैश लाइट से। राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड the starting 4 lines. Now move to the next line. To keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. So student, the poet is saying that I am going to keep my eye on everything. Means I am going to watch now everything that sails my patch of sea. Patch means a small area. So the poet is saying that whichever the ships are coming, going on my patch means on my area that I am going to watch. For that reason I am going to stay awake all night. जैसे कि पोएट कह रहे हैं कि मैं रात भर जागूंगा और हर चीज़ों पे अपनी नज़र रखूंगा कि कौन सी शिप आ रही है, कौन सी शिप जा रही है। मेरे एरिया में जहाँ पर फ्लैश लाइट आ रहा है, जहाँ पे फ्लैश लाइट की रोशनी आ रही है, वहाँ पर मैं हर चीज़ देखूँगा। ऐसे पोएट जस्ट कह रहे हैं। नाउ स्टूडेंट, द नेक्स्ट लाइन। I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. जैसे कि पोएट फिर से कह रहे हैं कि मुझे लाइट हाउस बनना है। With the ships all watching me means all the ships are going to watch me. सब शिप्स मुझे देखेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि मैं डायरेक्शन दे रहा हूँ, मैं फ्लैश लाइट से डायरेक्शन दे रहा हूँ, मैं उन्हें हेल्प कर रहा हूँ। किसे हेल्प कर रहा हूँ? लोगों को, शिप सेलर्स को। अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स ना एवरीवन द होल पोएम? ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द होल पोएम. You all of you just repeat after me. Poem number 14. I'd like to be a lighthouse. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. So students, I hope all of you have understood the whole poem. Now the homework is you have to write this poem in your English notebook one time. So now students, I am giving the notes of your combined book number 2. So students, everyone just open your combined book number 2 and take out your pencil. Now come to the very first question. Learn and write the given words 3 times. So students, in the left hand side there is some new words that you have to write 3 times. So let's see which are the words. Lighthouse, scrubbed, patch, snails, watching. These 5 words you have to write 3 times. This is an homework. Now student, move to the second question. Give rhyming words from the poem. In that the very first one is white and the answer is night. B1. Question is sea. The answer is me. So student, we had completed the question number 2 also. Now move to the question number 3. Write the name of the poet. Students, in this poem, the poet name is not there. So the answer will be, the poet's name is not known. At such time, we write the word anonymous. So students, we had completed the question number 3 also. Now move to the question number 4. Give opposites of. In that, the A1. White, answer is black. B1. Awake, answer is asleep. C1. Night, answer is day. D1. Everything, answer is nothing. Now student, move to the question number 1. Give meaning of. In that, the very first one means the A1. Scrubbed, answer is rubbed something hard. B1. Patch, answer is a small area. So student, we had completed the question number 1 also. Now move to the question number 2. Make meaningful sentence. In that, the very first one, A1, is lighthouse. So the answer is, the lighthouse is a tower building. B1. Sea. The answer is, the sea is a real blessing to mankind. Now the C1. Ships. Answer. I saw several ships sailing on the sea. So student, we had completed the question number 2 also. Means page number 12 we had completed. Now student, move to the next page. Page number 13. So student, now page number 13. In that, the question number 3. Answer the following questions with the help of the poem. In that, the very first one question. What does a lighthouse look like? Answer. A lighthouse is a tower, building or tall structure on the sea shore. From it, big beams or flashes of light. These lights are thrown out. Now student, question number 2 means the B1. What does a lighthouse do? Answer. A lighthouse throws out big beams or flashes of light. These beams help ships at sea to navigate or to find their way across the sea. So student, we had completed the B1 also. Now move to the next, means the C1. What does a lighthouse watch? Answer. The lighthouse tells the ship that there is a port nearby. It is safe to go near the port, or that there are dangerous rocks under the sea. So student, we had completed the question number 3 also. Now the last question, question number 4. If you were to be an object, what would you like to be? What would you like to do then? Write about it in short. So student, this is a personal question. You can write this answer by your own also. Now what I have written, just see. I would like to be a balloon and glad high up in the sky. I would like to look down at the children playing. I will count the steeples of the churches that I pass by. I will also admire the beauty of nature. So student, we had completed the page number 13 also. Student, I had given the homework of your combined book number 2, in that page number 12 and 13. Plus, you have to write the whole poem one time in your English notebook. I hope everyone understood the explanation and about the notes also. So student, if you have any doubt regarding the notes, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number So students, thank you for watching the video.